Hi, hello! Today I have this quite simple, colourful, bluey, pinky look. It's quite an easy, simple, quick look today. So yeah, please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already and thumbs up this video if you enjoy it. Everything will be listed in the description box below and linked. If you want to see how I created this simple, colourful cut crease, then half cut crease, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I've already filmed a video today, but I'm doing another one. Today I have like a simple kind of colourful look. I'm using just the P. Louise Carnival palette by Stacey Marie, and I'm using like 3 shades. First of all, I'm going to use the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas Full Coverage Eyeshadow Base in Illustrate, which is fair. If you want to see a comparison video with this and the P. Louise base, then I will link it in the eye up there because I have done that already. I'm going to use this to cover my eyelid. Where did I put my brush? Okay, so the first shade I'm going to go in with is the shade Wasted, which is the purple shade. I'm taking that on a Morphe M506 brush and putting that in the crease, but I'm not taking it too high. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Wifey, which is this nice pink shade. I'm just going to put that on like 50% on the purple and 50% not on the purple. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. So then next I'm going to take the shade Funky, which is the hot pink shade, and again I'm going to build that above the first pink we put down. Now I'm going to take the Revolution base again and cut the crease. Okay, so next I'm going to go into the shade Sky, this shade here, which is a nice bright blue, and I'm packing that all over the lid where we just cut the crease. To protect your soul. With that same blue shade, I'm going to put it on the lower lash line. Okay, so now I'm going to take the purple and blend that on the outer corner. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town. Okay, so I'm going to move on from the eyes for a second, and I'm going to go on to face. So for the face primer, I'm going to use the Nivea Daily Essentials 24-Hour Moisturiser and Express Primer. It's a gel cream. If you have dry skin like me, this is a very nice moisturiser slash primer. It smells really good too. Okay, so for foundation, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal True Match. This is in the shade 1N Ivory. I'm just going to take this on my sponge. For concealer, I'm going to go in with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Light 10. Right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to in with a sponge.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above.
Next I'm going to go in with powder. I'm going to take the Rimmel Match Perfection Silky Loose Face Powder and take that on my sponge.
We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are.
And for bronzer, I'm going to take the Rimmel Natural Bronzer in the shade 025 Sun Glow. Go in with the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Luminoso. I'm going to spritz my face before highlighter using the MAC Fix Plus. Now I'm going to go in with highlight. I'm going to use the Ofra Pillow Talk because it has like a pinky vibe to it to go with the eyes.
I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Now I'm going to go back to the eyes. I'm going to take the purple shade first and then I think I'm going to go in with Funky.
Alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is.
What's going on with this eye, but it's watering like a bitch. So in the inner corner, I'm just going to pop a bit of the Ofra highlight in Pillow Talk, and I think I'm going to do it on the brow bone.
Around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight.
Okay, so I'm going to go off camera, do my eyebrows, do my lashes, and I'll be back for lips. Okay, so my eye is really playing me up. So to finish this look off, I'm going to use the Colourpop Lippy Pencil in Dopey and then the Joie Cosmetics Hydra Matte Liquid Lipsticks in the shade Skinny Dip. I want like a pinky look, you know. Okay, so that is it for this look. I really hope you enjoyed it. It was quite a mess because this eye is playing me up. Let me know if you did enjoy it by thumbsing this video up. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my videos, of course. I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.